up guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are working on the E36 today, but this is getting a full-on little wide body kit, over fender type of wide body kit. I have it upstairs, I'm gonna go get it right now. We're just gonna mark them where I need to cut, because I need to cut this right here guys, because the car is gonna go a little lower and wider. So stay tuned for that. And then other than that, the car is looking amazing guys. Look, I took the rear seats out, so now the car looks like a straight race car. Look at this. I don't know if you guys remember some of my videos. I've always talked about like owning a car like this, but this is just temporarily though, because I'm getting new seats in the back and new leather for this seats right here. And then I'm also getting a handbrake for this car. I'm getting a wide angle kit for this car. I'm getting a lot of stuff for this car guys. So if you guys are new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll catch you guys when we start working on the car. We have a lot of issues with this body kit, boys. It was cheap, but a lot of issues. This is damaged right here, but it don't matter because I'm gonna bond it to the body, so it's all good. I don't know if you guys see this little body right there. It's wider. Damn, the car's gonna be lower. Holy shit. Boys, so I started marking all these little points down. The body kit came with a lot of defects. Like, it came chipped up from over here. It's not like the perfect fitting for this car, but I'm gonna make it happen guys. I'm gonna make it work, because that's what I do. Literally, look at this. I'm gonna teach you guys something. If you guys have something in your head, you guys want to do it, just do it. Look at this. I made this happen like what, like a month ago, and it came out amazing. I literally cut this myself, molded it myself, did all that good work myself. So I know for a fact this car is gonna look amazing when this body kit's done. It's gonna look insane. Look at this dude. Look how dope it looks. Alright boys, so we just got done literally marking all the spots where we're gonna cut. I'm gonna cut this right here. Poor E36 guys is getting all scratched up and cut open. This right here is gonna get cut open right here. And then this right here, this entire thing is gonna get cut. So I don't really have to mark that. So yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's video, because tomorrow we're gonna do all that stuff guys, because right now it's already too late. I really don't want to do like cutting work right now because the neighbors are gonna bitch at me. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Alright boys, so it's the second day of me trying to wide body my car, or over fender my E36 M3 guys. So I am starting on the front fender first. I'm gonna cut this right here. I don't know why I started all the way down here, but I have to like literally cut all the way over here still, I believe. I don't know if that's gonna be any difference on it, but I'm just gonna cut that fender first, and then I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna focus more on this side right here, because the rear is gonna be lower and the front end is already very low. So stick around. I'm not really gonna bore you guys on all the cutting, so I'm just gonna cut all the stuff, and then I'm gonna update you guys on what I have done on the E36. I know you guys are gonna love it as much as I do, so if you guys do, please smash the subscribe button and stay tuned. I'm literally doing all the work myself, like you guys can see right over here. I'm not even filming anything because I'm by myself, but I'm already all the way over here guys on that one. I already cut the front ones. The front ones were the easiest ones, that's why I went first with the front ones. You can see right there, they all cut. Perfect E36 M3 guys, it's all cut up. Literally the value of this car is to the trash. Why? Because Goofer wants to have this crazy M3 as the craziest street drift and show car, as good looking as possible as I can make it. Literally I've been working here since I got out of work. I was trying to do this yesterday, but my pops didn't leave me the extension cord so I can use the grinder. But other than that guys, today is the day. We got it done. Other than that guys, the car is looking amazing. I'm so tired already. Been up since 6 in the morning, well 5 in the morning. Angle kit, handbrake, everything is coming soon guys. All that stuff is on order, so that's why I'm so excited to work on this car for the longest, and finally I got the chance and the time to do all this guys. But right now I'm gonna keep cutting this up, and then I'll update you guys on what I get done later today. Alright boys, well I am pretty much done with this. All I gotta do right now is wait for my dad to pull up with a drill bit so I can open some holes in here. What are we eating right now, babe?
An Oreo cookie ice cream, but just how.
Alright boys, well this is our third piece of the body kit. I'm gonna put it right here. Does not step on it. So this is how the front looks right now, guys. It looks freaking minty. Look at this. What's up, boys? Well, the third piece of the body kit is installed, and it looks amazing. Big shout out to baby girl behind the camera for holding the camera and helping me hold this. But for right now, trust the process. Literally riveting this in, because when I'm done with it, you guys won't be able to see that this thing was riveted in. It's gonna be all molded into the car. Fuck the neighbors. Fuck, my hands are so itchy because of the fiberglass. Alright boys, well after 5 hours, the E36 has a rear end with a crazy over fender wide body kit and the front as well. It looks freaking amazing, guys. Alright boys. I didn't shift in time. Oh my god. The excitement is crazy. Oh my god. How? Wait, where though? A big ass chunk of wheel came off the car while I was kind of spinning it. We gotta try to spin it a little bit though, guys. I don't know, this one. Whew, smells. I need a new cat. I need new cats on this car, guys. Literally. Nah, get in, get in. I know a better spot.
Wait. Good.
Is it still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. I just want to spin the car. But I literally need a manual transmission to do that, boys. And we're gonna get that done soon, so stay tuned for that. Because when it's not raining, I can literally spin the car like crazy. We gotta go back to that same spot when we come back from Target, guys, because the plan was to go to Target and get some Legos, because like I said, I've been lazy. I have a girlfriend now, guys.
Shut up.
I need to show you guys the E36 a little bit though, a little bit. All right guys, so I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of the car. Look at this. It's a little bit more wide. That's what you guys can get to see. I'm not gonna show you guys more because I really want to have it as a surprise for you guys, a big reveal on my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more crazy content. Today is literally a random video, all thanks to her. You guys thank her because, like I said, I've been really lazy, guys. I haven't really been filming. I really haven't been filming. A lot of shit's been happening lately, so I just haven't really been in the mood of filming or just editing. But I'm gonna get back to it, guys. I'm gonna get back to it, and then we're gonna start building this car like crazy. Like you guys can see, I've been doing that off camera, guys. I've been building the E36, but you know, I need to film for you guys, so stay tuned. And my girl right over here, you know, right over here. You know, she's been literally telling me, please film, you gotta film. But like I said, I've been lazy. But right now, we're on our way to Target. And I promise you guys, I'm not gonna be lazy no more. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta go to Target. Alright, boys. So we came here for Legos. And look what we're doing right now. We're literally looking for clothes. Goofer. God damn, I'm not picking that up. I am not picking that up. Really? This is what we're doing right now?
And the little shorts and clothes.
Wow.
Should we try it?
Sure. You guys will get to see some booty today. Alright guys, we're gonna get this one right here. We're gonna get the Bugatti. What is this? Bohide? Oh, what the fuck is wrong with you? Literally got me on guard.
Thank you.
Thank you, appreciate you. Man, what you say? What happened right now?
Man, I swear I was about to walk out with the sensor. They'll be like, beep, 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 beep.
They're about to be beep, beep, beep.
You stole them.
I think that's some photos of all the people that have stole shit here. Target's crazy. But it's still light up here. It's not raining no more, babe. So the road. Slap him. Slap him. Random video today, guys. I was not even planning on filming today at all. But we decided to come get Legos. Until you decided to film me just do donuts on the car.
This girl with the 2 thumbs up. This girl.
The GoPro died, guys, so I'm filming on my iPhone right now. So I kind of like filming on the phone right now. To be honest, how it looks way better than the camera. The GoPro films amazing, so I want you guys' feedback on that. Alright guys, well, right now, I don't have the GoPro anymore, so I can't put it in my head. I need to stop. I need to start filming more, guys. I need to stop yapping. Like she's saying, I need to stop talking, man. I need to start filming more.
Action.
Right? Action, boys. Action. More action. No, less talk, more action, baby. Less talk, more action. All right, boys. Well, we got no camera, no GoPro. We got the iPhone. So for right now, we're gonna go back to that same exact spot where we were at.